Welcome back to Vital Longevity. What's up, biohackers and health nuts? Welcome back to the channel where we unlock the secrets to supercharging your body and your mind. Today we're diving into the top 5 supplements that'll turn your biology into a supercharged machine. Trust me, your mitochondria are gonna love this. First up, we've got L-Theanine. If you're a fan of green tea, but not a fan of the jittery buzz from too much caffeine, L-Theanine is your new bestie. It's like your brain's chill pill, calm, focused, and zen. Take it with coffee and boom, you've got yourself a productivity cocktail. Goodbye mid-afternoon crash, hello laser focus. All right, moving on to number 2, lion's mane mushroom. No, I'm not telling you to go foraging in the woods. This mushroom is here to boost your brain power. Studies show it helps with cognitive function, memory, and even nerve regeneration. Honestly, it's like taking your brain to the gym, minus the sweaty workout clothes. I mean, who doesn't want the mental clarity of a Zen monk? Number 3 is a classic but so underrated, magnesium. This mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. That's right, 300. Whether it's supporting sleep, reducing stress, or helping your muscles recover after that punishing HIIT workout, magnesium's got your back. Next on the list is MCT Oil, aka the secret weapon for anyone on a keto or low-carb diet. This stuff is like rocket fuel for your brain. It's pure, fast energy that doesn't leave you crashing later. You can toss it in your coffee or blend it into your smoothie for a super smooth energy boost. Plus, it's great for boosting ketone production, which basically turns your body into a fat-burning furnace. Who doesn't love that? And finally, we've got ashwagandha, the king of adaptogens. This little herb is like your personal stress bouncer, kicking out anxiety and helping you chill no matter how crazy your day gets. It also helps balance cortisol levels, which means it keeps your stress hormones in check. It's like taking a mental vacation without having to leave your couch. So there you have it, 5 supplements to take your biohacking game to the next level. Whether you're looking to sharpen your mind, reduce stress, or just feel like a total badass, these are a great place to start. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try, or if you've got a secret biohacking supplement we should know about. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.